My name is Melanie Martinez, and I attend New York City College of Technology. In Young Commodores, I am part of the production team, so we take care of video, any content that needs to be shot. My favorite commercial, maybe not my favorite, but the one I'm often thinking of, is the Skittles commercial. So the tagline, "Taste the Rainbow," it always comes up, and the commercials are really freaky. Being a young Commodore means having this new set of networks. You get to meet people from the agency and like students just like me, and even younger students. So I feel like it opens doors to meeting a whole branch